Hey everybody, we are headed to Windham, New Hampshire this morning to pull a test ball out of a 4-inch drain line that a plumber somehow managed to get sucked down in there. So hopefully I'll see you at the end of the video. Stay tuned and it might be kind of interesting. Thanks! Not too much.
Oh yeah.
Good.
Good.
See what we got.
Yeah, so the sewer comes out here. I don't know where the tank is or anything.
Oh, that's not good.
I know. Well, I don't know where it is, but it comes out right here. Straight through.
And we have no idea where the tank is. All right, let's take a look inside. So well, you can show me inside where the ball went in or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you'll see.
So it's like a rubber ball, I'm assuming?
Yeah, test ball. We got one down here. It's twice the size.
It could be in the septic tank right now. I took that fucking thing and sent it, so wouldn't surprise me if it's in the septic tank.
I don't know where the tank
Unless
is.
there's a baffle on the tank and it could have gotten stuck in the baffle.
I just didn't know if you'd be able to take a snake and maybe with that point hook onto it and puncture it, pull it back out.
We have a hook retriever. I was talking to Bob about how we could possibly do it. So we have a hook retriever.
So it's like this, but it's only about that big. The other ball.
Okay, and what came off? The chain came off of it?
The chain, everything busted off, so I bought one 3 times the size.
Yep.
So basically this is down in the pipe somewhere. And it's
Okay.
deflated, so it should be about this size.
Okay.
And then we're going to use this one to retest so that doesn't happen again.
That makes sense. Is that a big flashlight? Can I stand on this bucket?
Yeah.
I'm short.
I know it's wicked bright. We couldn't see anything. I don't have a flashlight.
I have one in the truck. I'll see if I can get a flashlight and I have my bigger light that I'm going to bring in too so that I have more light to work with. I'm going to have to use the camera and I'm going to go in with the camera first.
Okay.
See if I can find it.
Okay.
And go from there. That's going to be our best bet.
All right.
So I'll go up and I'll get my big light so that we have more light down here. And grab the camera and stuff. See what we got. How many bedrooms is this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's a big tank.
So you know how many
Gallons this tank is? No.
Alright, so this is probably the outlet.
That's what I was thinking, because the leach field's over here.
So if that's the case and you take a 5-foot shovel, you should have 3 covers unless it's a 2-chamber tank. And you go center of that cover, lay the shovel this way.
What are
You'll
you saying,
probably
5
find the
feet?
center. Yep.
Somewhere right around there.
Alright, and then if you start from here and do another 5 feet, if there's 3 covers, that's where your inlet cover is going to be for the tank.
I wonder why only one's exposed.
So what do you
That's
want?
probably where they pump it from.
Right. So what do you want to do, Shelly? Do you want to go down with the camera first?
I want to
see?
go down with the camera and see exactly where it is, and then we can definitely locate the pipe coming out this way. Because I'm assuming if it leaves the foundation wall where it leaves, it's going to end up having to turn to come over
Yep,
this way.
I would agree.
So we'll probably end up finding an elbow or a T where it might connect either way. You're going to have to turn to come this way.
Right.
So at least if we put the camera in there, we can locate it, and we'll be able to see exactly where it is over here.
Okay.
You want to grab the...
Yeah, you want a hand? That light, huh?
Yeah, it was a Christmas present for Bob.
Nice. Brightened up his world, did it?
Yep. Got him the fan for Father's Day, and then this
What, the
for
Milwaukee
Christmas.
one?
Yeah, the
Yeah.
battery one.
Nice. It's convenient.
So it was a complete gut job here, huh?
It wasn't supposed to be, but it turned out to be.
Gotta love it when it works that way, right?
Yeah, they even added another full bathroom upstairs. 3 bathrooms upstairs.
Looks like there was one down here at one point.
There was a bar sink down here.
Alright. Set that there for now. I'll set this up here. I love this thing.
I haven't seen it in action yet.
Best Christmas present I ever bought him.
Wow, look at that.
Lights up everything. We used it, my daughter and I went out and did a main line on Monday? Yeah, Monday night at like 7. We had to dig up a septic tank cover.
Yep.
And it lit up the whole woods.
Right.
So you were testing it from right here and it went down?
The ball was placed right here with his T-connects.
Okay.
And it went from here and it shot out and the hose broken. So went for a ride.
Okay. Perfect if I could just have it. Let's borrow the bridle. Here's your turn.
90? What, 45s?
Looks like 45. It's all cast. Could use a D-scale. Definitely use a D-scale. That's for sure. Looks like another 45 right there. Pipe could definitely use a descaling, but
Yeah, we can recommend that to them. I'm sure they never got to see what it looks like.
so this is the bottom of the pipe here.
Yeah.
It's holding a little bit of water. Not bad. I would say it made it to the tank. So let's turn the locator on and we'll go out and locate this cover because this is the inlet.
Yeah, gotcha.
So we'll turn that on and we'll go out and we'll locate that cover. Actually, just gotta put that flat. We'll pause the recording here. Doesn't need to record while it's just sitting there. And Right here, Tim.
Got it?
3 feet down. Are we digging it open?
Don't
You
think
want to?
so.
No?
But we can locate it. Okay. Stay right there and I'll measure this right off.
Yep.
So approximately 16 feet.
Yeah. Do you want to measure off the corner of that bush to there too? So that way there you have like a cross point like they do when they do the sewer inspections?
Measure off the rail maybe.
Yeah, that way there you have at least a cross point.
Guess they cut the bush down. I don't think they're gonna cut the rail down.
Right.
8 feet.
And it definitely made it all the way out, so.
So that's not a big concern then.
Right,
I figured
right.
it
It
was in the
shouldn't,
pipe.
yeah, it shouldn't block up the tank. So, and
Yeah.
judging by what I saw in the camera, the tank doesn't look like it has much material in it, so.
But you recommend a descaler is what you're saying?
Yeah, I recommend that they descale that cast. That way they're.
You guys do that?
Yeah.
Write up a quote. We'll
Okay.
see
Yeah.
what they want to do.
I'll put it on. Do you want me to just put it on the slip for the camera for this, or?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So I'll just put the quote for descaling it on the camera for this, and then we can just go from there.
Yep, sounds good.
Okay. All right. Unpausing the camera so that we have this video. I'll be coming back. So it wasn't actually the test plug wasn't in the line, so he's good. I don't want to work the way that I had you before. Alright. There we go. Alright, I'm pausing the camera, and now we'll wipe it. Feed it back in. Yeah, they should probably have this line descaled for sure. I mean, it's cast going all the way to the tank, but there's so much pipe scale on it. Just descaling it will help it out. You know, help everything flow smoother. Other than that, it's holding a little bit of water close to the tank, but it's probably just from the pipe scale and stuff. So. there's that. Window. Can't see it. Alrighty, everybody. So that does it for that one. Yeah. If you're liking the videos and you got this far, you're all the way at the end, we really want to chat with you guys live. So if you can hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, that'd help us get to 1,000 so we can actually chat with you and you guys could get to know us a little better on a personal level. So, yeah. If you're liking it, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.